Let's see, if you have to send emails to few people, it's fairly straightforward. But what if you want to send emails to, let's say, 1,000 people? It's practically impossible to send emails one by one to all those. I have come up with a simple technique called mail merge. You can use this technique to send emails in a couple of minutes without needing to send them one by one. For this, you just need to have Microsoft Outlook as your email client. This is a quick tutorial. You'll learn this in less than 2 minutes. So let's dive in.
So this is the list of clients to whom I need to send the emails for price revision. And this is the format of the email that they should be receiving. For the client specific fields, I have put dotted lines there, so I'm going to replace those lines with the actual client data from the list. So let's save this file somewhere else so that we can pick it up from there later on. Now let's go to the Word file, click on Mailings tab, start mail merge, then email messages. Now click on select recipient and use an existing list, because we already have prepared a list of our email contacts. So point the list, point the path, click OK. Now click on insert merge field. From there you can pull up the information that is stored in the Excel file. So if you click on name, it will pull up Rob from the first row. Now surname is picking up the surname of the first contact and the company name. Similarly, we can fill up all these dotted lines with the actual client data from the list. That's the effective date and for company name. If we click on ABC preview results, it will show as a code, and if we click once again, it will show as the actual data. So now we have completed this linking of the data with the actual data field. Let's put currency symbol if that's needed. Click finish and merge, and it's automatically picking up the email from the Excel file. And we can put subject something like this, and if we click OK, then this will send emails to all the contacts in the list. If we have multiple email accounts in the Outlook file, we have to be very careful. First, go to the Outlook file, account settings, accounts, and from there you can select which account is to be set as default, because the mail merge will be using the same account to send the emails. So let's change the default account from here and close this. And also we need to check additional settings. That's click on file again, options, go to mail and scroll down until you see send messages, and click on always use the default account when composing new messages. So that's the option you need to tick. Click OK. Okay, now we're all set to send messages to large number of recipients.
Hope you enjoyed the video and found this useful. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with friends and families.